Can you order food in English without feeling nervous? If not, this video will help you speak confidently at any restaurant. Hi everyone, I'm Biplov.
And I'm Annie. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident speaking English.
First, we will practice easy sentences. Then, we will move to real conversations.
Yes, that's right. Today, we will go step by step, so don't feel pressure. Just listen carefully, repeat after us, and try to speak out loud. Even if you make mistakes, it's totally okay. This is how you improve. We are here to help you feel confident in real-life English situations, like restaurants.
Now, without doing any delay, let's start.
I'd like a table for two, please. I'd like a table for two, please.
A table for two, please. A table for two, please.
Could we sit near the window? Could we sit near the window?
Could we see the menu, please? Could we see the menu, please?
Now a simple smile is enough. You do not need perfect English.
Right, just clear English and a calm voice.
Let's start the restaurant conversation.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. How many seats do you need?
2, please.
Of course, this way, please.
Thank you.
Repeat after me. Hello, welcome to our restaurant. How many seats do you need? 2, please.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. How many seats do you need? 2, please.
Now ask for a table politely.
Excuse me. Do you have a table for 2?
Do you have a table for 2? Do you have a table for 2?
Can we sit here?
Yes, of course.
Great. Thank you.
Now the waiter gives the menu.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Take your time.
Repeat after me. Here you are. Here you are.
Take your time. Take your time.
Now let's order food.
I would like to order a chicken burger, please. I'd also like a plate of fried rice. If you have pizza, I'll take 1 pizza as well. Could we have a glass of water, please?
And I'd like the pasta.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like water, please.
I'd like orange juice.
Shadow after me. I would like to order a chicken burger, please. I'd also like a plate of fried rice. If you have pizza, I'll take 1 pizza as well. Could we have a glass of water, please?
I'd like water, please. I'd like water, please.
Let's make it more natural.
Do you have any vegetarian dishes?
Yes, we do.
What do you recommend?
The vegetable pasta is very popular.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
Nice. Listen again and shadow.
Do you have any vegetarian dishes? Do you have any vegetarian dishes?
The vegetable pasta is very popular. The vegetable pasta is very popular.
That sounds good. I'll have that. That sounds good. I'll have that.
Now a few useful questions. But before that, if this lesson is helping you, just take a moment to like the video and subscribe to our channel. It really supports us and helps you get more practice like this.
Yes. Now let's continue our lesson. Is this spicy?
No, it is not spicy.
Can I get it without cheese?
Yes, of course.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
Is this spicy? Is this spicy?
Can I get it without cheese? Can I get it without cheese?
How long will it take? How long will it take?
Good. Now a slightly faster, real-life conversation.
Hi, we have a reservation for 2.
Great. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Annie Lee.
Thank you. Please follow me.
Could we have the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Here you go.
Thanks. What do you want to eat?
I'm thinking of the soup and a sandwich.
Sounds good. I'll get the salad.
Now shadow that with us. Keep the rhythm. Don't stop.
Hi, we have a reservation for two. Hi, we have a reservation for two.
Great. May I have your name, please? Great. May I have your name, please?
Could we have the menu, please? Could we have the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Of course. Here you go.
Sounds good. I'll get the salad. Sounds good. I'll get the salad.
Now let's practice a short problem at the restaurant.
Excuse me, this is not my order.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll bring the right one right away.
Thank you.
Repeat after me. This is not my order. This is not my order.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'll bring the right one right away. I'll bring the right one right away.
Very useful. Simple and polite.
Exactly. Polite English works very well.
Now let's do one more fast round.
Good evening. Do you have a table for two?
Yes, we do. Please follow me.
Thanks. Can I see the menu?
Of course. What would you like?
I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Anything to drink?
Just water for me.
And for you?
I'll have lemonade.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Great. Shadow it one last time.
Do you have a table for two? Do you have a table for two?
Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu?
I'd like the grilled chicken, please. I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Just water for me. Just water for me.
Now your turn. Answer in the comments.
What food do you like at a restaurant?
What drink do you usually order?
How do you ask for the bill?
Can you write one restaurant sentence?
You can write something simple, like, I'd like a table for two, please.
Or, could we see the menu, please?
Awesome work today.
Yes, friends. Great job today. You just practiced real English you can use in a restaurant. But don't stop here. Practice every day to see real improvement. In the next video, we will go one level higher and make it even more natural. So make sure you subscribe and stay with us. See you in the next lesson.
Until then, keep practicing. Don't hesitate to speak, even if you make mistakes. Consistency is the key. If you continue like this every day, your English will improve step by step.
Yes, keep practicing daily to improve your speaking naturally. Your English journey doesn't stop here. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep practicing your English. See you next time. Bye.